What's going on, guys? It's been a minute. Yeah, I didn't film at all. I guess I was on vacation for the last couple weeks when I went to Alberta to hang out with my friends. Had so much fun hanging out with them. It was just like high school all over again. Had a good time. Drank way too much, of course. But yeah, and then I came home, did Paddle Fest with my daughter.
Here, make some noise for our first boater, John. Coming on in, setting up to miss the chunder machine, blasting it. Come on, John, you got it, man.
Well, I volunteered at Paddle Fest. I just didn't do it with my daughter. So yeah, volunteered down there for 3 or 4 days. Came back to, I can't speak. Came back to Kate's property, or my property, and yeah, now it's time to clean up. Look at this freaking crap everywhere. So yeah, I'm cleaning out like the shelf space above here, getting all the dust and dirt out of it, and the shelf space above here. To clean that, I gotta organize stuff. I've just been throwing stuff everywhere for the last, I don't know, 6 months at least. Just been too busy with the house build and everything else. But yeah, that's coming along. I think the guys are, if you see that pile of dirt over there, they're trenching to put the electrical pole in. So yeah, that's exciting. So yeah, electrical this week. I think water. I got to head over to the property. I got to head over to Earthright Shelters and see the progress on the house, see what they're doing there. Be interesting to see. I think they might be starting the siding, actually. Another exciting thing. And apparently it's only like 4 to 6 weeks before it's here on the property. And then it doesn't take long after that to give me possession of the house. So yeah, pretty exciting. I'll have a house in September. That's crazy. So yeah, this is what we're doing. Cleaning crap up. Doing some 3D printing inside. Printing up stuff for the house, actually. I'm already made a bathroom trash can and some other stuff on my 3D printer. So yeah, that's handy to have. But I gotta get this mess cleaned up. This is just ridiculous. I've had so much stuff hanging out. Yeah, basically since the Van Fest, I've just been tossing stuff everywhere. So yeah, it's time to get a little bit organized. I don't like being unorganized, but it is what it is. So yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. I'm gonna get back at it. All right, had to take a little break to watch the pole going in. So yeah, I think they have to trench to both the house and my tiny house because all the electrical wires are going to go underground now, which is nice not to have wires hanging overhead and stuff. And they also need to do it so the crane can drop the house on the screw piles because those wires would have been in the way. Even when they were doing the septic, the wires were pretty close to the trucks coming in and out. So yeah, that's a bonus, having the wires buried and not having all those ugly wires hanging out. So yeah, both Kate and I are pretty happy about that they're losing the whole, they had wires and tubes and stuff all over the side of their house for their electrical, where now it's just underground and straight into their house. So I think they'll be happy about that, even though that's my side of the house now, kind of thing, or my yard. So yeah, haven't really progressed much in here. Still got all the mess. Just got excited to go out there and film the pole going up. That was cool. It looks pretty much the same in here. Put my cedar corners on. Let me back up on this. Trimming out the windows. We're gonna put cedar on these. I like the cedar trim around that. I think that's gonna look awesome around all the windows. And my door and my sliding door. This will have cedar trim all around it as well. Yeah. All the molding's up, ready for siding. That's the color of the siding. Nice. That's it. Alrighty. Well, not much progress on the house this week. Hopefully the siding starts on Monday. They did start the other building, but not mine. So yeah, definitely looking forward to that. And yeah, so convenient to have that place so close to the property. I can go and check on it any time, even when I'm going to town sometimes. I just swing in there, stop and take a look and say hi to everybody. But yeah, very cool to be that close. I love it. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just go for a bike ride today after I finish cleaning up the van. Not really much left to do, so yeah, excited about that. And yeah, I think that's it. Just some bike rides and hanging out for the weekend. Maybe next weekend I'll even go camping. Surprise, surprise. Yeah, that's it. If you guys haven't subscribed already, I'd really appreciate it. And we'll see you guys next time, whenever that is. Take care, guys. Later.
Well, wheels spinning fast, sun kisses the ground. Loomer's tail wagging to the rumbling sound. Scott's behind the wheel, maps long gone. Freedom calls us chasing the dawn. Scottage on wheels, rolling free. Highway whispers songs to the sea. With Uma by my side, nothing to lose. Life on the move, the vibe we choose. Surfboard strap, blue horizons in sight. Campfire dances through the van life nights. Mountains to beaches, winding roads to roam. 4 paws, 2 feet, always at home.